overstaying in the Philippines can get you detained, deported, and even blacklisted for life. So why do some foreigners still break immigration laws? Let's talk about it. Let's get real. Overstaying isn't just a minor issue. It is a serious violation that can completely ruin your stay in the Philippines. Yet despite clear rules, some foreigners continue to push the limits or ignore them altogether. Why? Is it mindset, arrogance, or maybe just not taking the rules seriously? Here's the truth. Each foreigner's reason is different. Maybe they're uninformed, maybe they think immigration won't catch them, or maybe they just assume that the Philippines won't enforce its laws. The Bureau of Immigration is stepping up enforcement big time. Just scroll through their official Instagram, you'll see post after post about arrest, deportation, exclusions, blacklist order. This isn't just thought, it's real. But here's the good news. There are legit visa options for almost every situation. 13A spousal visa, SRRV retirement visa, 9G working visa, or simply staying compliant with the tourist visa extensions. So why rest it? So why gamble your peaceful life when legal options are on the table? We are here to help. This is JRC, your every foreigner's guide for visas and real estate in the Philippines. And I'll be seeing you on our next Visa Monday videos.